What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Today's video is going to be something very different from what I've been posting recently. I'm going to be doing a restoration on these French Fluid 12s. Why did I buy them? I have no idea. They're really beat up, really scuffed, and really dirty. There's a lot of processes I have to go through in cleaning them, so let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we need to do with this shoe is unlace them and throw a shoe tree in there, and then clean them using Reshoevn-Ator. Now that the sneaker is all unlaced, we're going to be using Reshoevn-Ator to clean it. This is how the sneaker came out after the cleaning. Now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the leather to be repainted. So let's get to that. So what we're going to be using today to prepare the leather is 100% acetone from your local Walmart and some cotton balls. Now that the shoe is all prepared, we're gonna start doing the back heels. We're gonna tape off the blue so we don't get any white on the blue of either side. So let's get started on that. Now it's all taped up, we can start to repaint. We're going to be using Angelus Flat White to do the job. Now that the heels are completely dry and repainted, we can start doing the uppers. Now that the shoe is all repainted on the white, we can start to do the blue. I pre-mixed a color, pre-mixed a blue that matches perfectly to the blue. So let's get into it. If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out a lot. Today's video, we did a restoration on these Jordan 12 French Blues. If you guys want to see future restorations, make sure to comment down below yes or no. I'm also running a giveaway on my Instagram at Eastside Customs. Make sure to go tap into that and enter. I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.